Hey guys, it is me, your girl Foxy B, and I am getting on here today to do another great video for you guys. Also guys, I want to let you know when I first got on here, there was a package for $2.99 and you know I had to get it. It was for 50 million chips. So guys, let's just jump right into this video. Before we get started though guys, I wanted to send a special notification shout out. A special notification shout out goes to Nia Rose. If I spelled that right, Nia Rose. Special shout goes out to you today. You did exactly what I said. You went and you subscribed to my channel and also probably turned that notification bell on, girl. So big ups to you, and you also commented, subscribed. So guys, if you want a special notification shout out, go ahead and turn that notification bell on. Make sure you're subscribed and comment down below subscribed. All right guys, so let's get right into the video. This is part 2 of Fire versus Lightning. If you are subscribed to my channel and your notification bell is on, then you know that I have the first video for this game. Also, this is the second half of the video. So let's jump right in, and I still should have my points from the last time. We're gonna go with 7 million. And see what we can get, guys. And guys, we're gonna go with this videos until we hit the bonus stage. Once we hit the bonus stage, then we will do another video. Also guys, you can comment down below what videos you would like for me to play, and I will also do those videos as well. Hopefully we can luck up and get something really good, guys. All right, come on. Something good. Fill the board up for me. Come on, something good. Let's go. Well, that's over. All right, guys. Not bad at all, guys. Can keep us in the game, right? Guys, if you don't know, my biggest win was 2.9 billion chips. 2.9 billion chips. That was my biggest win ever. Okay, so it looks like somebody has triggered the bonus without me knowing, because I was playing that game, that battle. So, I guess this is the last video for this, guys. Let's see what we're going to win today. Guys, I am hoping I can show you guys a great win today. Wow. So okay. Oh no. Don't take our 100 times. Oh. Wow. They got us, guys. Hopefully we can get that back. Oh, they took a strike. Oh no. All right, so this is the final round, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys a nicer win, but this is it. So all right, guys, so that is it. Let's see what we're gonna get. They got more than us, but let's see. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on that notification bell, guys, so you can get every video and not miss one. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Until then, peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Later.